Hello, today I want us to look at some questions that have repeated over the years in the Kenya National Examination Council, grade 12, that is from 4. And these questions have repeated. They have been coming in various exams. They repeat. One of the questions is this one here. The question states, Baraka earns Kenya shillings 210 per hour at a supermarket. The employer changed the amount earned per hour in the ratio 8:7. Alright, determine the amount that Baraka will earn in 10.5 hours at the new rate. This is how we do it on the board. It is very simple. So you come and say the new rate per hour. New rate per hour is equals to this ratio. We express it as a fraction. So you remember it has increased, so it will be 8/7 times the old rate. Old rate is 210. So if you multiply that, what will you get? What will you get? You will get 240 shillings. That is the new rate. Now Baraka will be earning this in 10 hours. How much? What's the total amount in 10 hours? So it will be 240 times 10.5 hours. So 240 times, we convert this one to an improper fraction. This is 2 times 10, that is 20, plus 1, 21/2. So from there, if you calculate, use your calculator well, you will find that Baraka, after 10.5 hours, you will earn 25.20. That is 2,520 Kenya shillings. This is another question that appears in KCSE, Kenya National Examination Council. Last year it was in KCSE, that is 2025. It states, solve this -1 less than or equal to 5 minus 2x/3, that is a fraction, less than 2x minus 1. So these are inequality, combined inequality or compound inequalities. So this is how we solve it. It is very simple. We separate the inequalities. We separate them because these are two inequalities put together or combined. So we have to separate them. We can start with this one. The first one is -1 less than or equal to 5 minus 2x/3. So we can solve this one. We can bring this 3 here. We can cross multiply. We can cross multiply this way. 3 times -1 less than or equal to 5 minus 2x. This will be -3 less than or equal to 5 minus 2x. So what do we do next? We can bring the like terms together. 5 will come here. We have it will be -8 less than or equal to -2x. So what do we do here? We can divide by -2 both sides. So if we divide, we have -8 to x. If we divide by -2x, this sign will change. So we will have x that way. This -8 divided by 2, it will be 4. We have solved the first part of that inequality. The second inequality is 5 minus 2x divided by 3 is less than 2x minus 1. What do? We cross multiply again. 3 will go there, so we will have 5x minus 2x less than 3 into 2x minus 1. So if we open that bracket, we will have 5x. So if we open the bracket, we will have 5 minus 2x less than 6x minus 3. Bring the like terms together. We can bring 3 here. So 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 less than negative 2 will go the other side. So 6x plus 2x. So 8 is less than 8x. X is greater than 1. So we have solved it. If we have solved it, now we combined. This is the first solution and the second solution. We combine them. So if we combine, we will have x is greater than 1 and x is less than or equal to 4. By doing so, that's how we do it. Thank you so much. If you have any question, send it to our comment section. If you have any question that is troubling you, you need us to sort out, kindly send it to our comment section and we will solve it in the next video. Thank you.